we can offer. It requires no grand gesture, no significant resources. What we need, just a willing heart